everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and UCYM Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme is bear. Next week's theme will be butterfly. And I don't know about you, but I'm definitely ready for spring. Currently, I think we have about 10 or 12 inches on the ground, but I'm definitely ready for spring. Anyways, we enter our projects into hashtag Satmore Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. And speaking of Jillian Norwood, I received a cute Christmas card from her, and just got it just the other day. So I wanted to take the time to share this with you, but look at that adorable little snowman, and she colored it up so cute, and then also put stickles, I think, on top of a few of the coloring parts, the parts that she colored, and it's just adorable. I love this. So super cute. She also added a little texture with some ribbon there, snowflakes behind there, and of course that little bow on top. Just so cute. And then the inside says, Melissa and family, joy to you, wishing you and yours all the joys of the wonderful time of the year, Jill. And so I really like that. It's so cute. And then on the back side, she also had that ribbon to come around the back side and added a little snowflake there. I love this card. It's so cute. Thanks so much, Jill. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's jump into what I used to create my project. And so I thought I would use this peeking Santa bear. So cute. That's what I decided upon, and that's from Cottage Cuts. And then I also used these Stamp Market enamel dots. Love those. This was recently released. It's called Gift Card Sentiment Stamp and Dies, and I am using You Deserve a Break, and I thought that was perfect. And also for you, I think that's it. No, there might be one other thing in the inside, and I don't remember what it was. And I hope it was from this stamp set, but I'm not even sure. And then from the Giant Ginger's accessories, I'm just using this heart right here. The note card set, I'm using this die right there. And then from her cute bow dies, I believe that's the name of it, I'm using the smallest one. And then I also used the gift card pocket die. This is turned out so cute. I can't wait to show you. But I'm using this here. And then the paper that I chose to use, and I got this from Tuesday Morning years ago, and it's We Are Memory Keeper Denim Blues. And so it actually feels like denim jean paper. So that's really cute. And look at this adorable little gift pocket. I thought it was just the cutest little thing. Love the colors. Look at that. You deserve a break for you. Got the little bear there. And I also added the little, I forgot what these are called. Not buttons, but I forgot what they call it. But anyways, put those on there. The back is finished. This is an asymmetrical gift card that you can just pop that right on the back, and it's still the same as the front. And then there goes the gift card holder. That's where I put the gift card. And then I also made the little bear pull out. So that's what it says, my treat. And I did lift that up a little bit so it can just go right back on top. Hopefully it'll fit right back on there. And isn't that the cutest little thing? I thought that turned out adorable. I did add a little bit of the, what is this called? This here, jelly roll on the face. I did smear it a little bit, but I thought it still turned out cute. And I did chalk up his face, her face, and add a little bit of color in the ear. But so cute. I love it. So make sure you check out the other ladies. Jill's link, of course, will be down below, so you can go over and visit her. And make sure you comment on everybody, show them some love. Lisa and Gloria as well. Their links will be down below. And that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.